Welcome back to Grow with Flow, Aquatic Plant Management Services. Today we're going to be spraying a lakefront. We're using the product TopFilm as our surfactant. Not going to use the recommended rate. We're going to use less than, because for me and what I'm doing, I found out that the rate that the way we're mixing it works really good. So all I'm going to do is put like 5 capfuls. The chemicals that we're using is a mixture of 2,4-D and diquat. I'm going to shake it a few minutes to agitate it and to mix the chemicals. I'm going to be doing what they call a selective herbicide. I'm only going to hit stuff that I want to get rid of that's either becoming a nuisance or is taking over. So we're going to thin things out. I'm going to leave the lily pads and I'm going to get rid of some of the rush. Now this plant here is duck potato. I'm going to leave as much of that as possible. Make sure it spreads. It's good for the environment, good for the animals. Birds like it. I can control that a lot easier. Right there, that's water hyacinth. This is very effective combo to get rid of that, and we don't want that in here at all. This mixture will also take care of the algae. It's a really good mixture to take care of a multitude of things. Not that much is needed. You get a quick kill and good quick results, so the customers are often happier because they don't have to wait for the standard 2 to 3 weeks for the glyphosate to kill stuff.
This is a video showing the aftermath of our spray treatment that was done on Friday. This video was shot Monday, the following Monday, before noon. We killed primrose, pondweed, hyacinth, torpedo grass, filamentous algae, and a host of other plants. We also left the beneficials for the wildlife, and I'll show you some of the fish that are swimming around. We did the application on a windy day. The temperature was above about 90 degrees. The TopFilm also acted as a drift agent, so it didn't allow the herbicide to move too much off target when we were spraying, even though it was breezy. There are the fish swimming around, lots of minnows. See how clear the water is? That's why we leave the beneficials, so that they can help with water clarity. And even though it was a windy day, this shot will show you how effective the TopFilm was as an anti-drift. I was able to get in between the desirables without killing too much desirable. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.